Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best cake pans. Here are the top 3 cake pans that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Wilton Aluminum Round Pan Cake Set. This cake pan set includes 4 round pans in each size: 8-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch and 12-inch. These pans are made from heavy-gauge aluminum with a non-stick finish for easy release and cleaning. It has rolled edges to make it easier to remove the cakes when they're done baking. This set is perfect for making layered cakes or any other type of cake you want to bake. Its non-stick coating is PFOA-free, so you can use these with your favorite cake mix or homemade batter. At number 2. Springform Cake Pan. This pan is made from durable aluminum, with a non-stick surface. There is a coating inside the pan that prevents food from sticking and makes it easy to clean. It's oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can use it in the oven or on your stovetop for cooking. Its sides are made from metal and have elastic around them to hold it together when you remove the bottom. This allows for easy removal of cakes without having to worry about breaking or cutting pieces off. At number 1. Amazon Basics Non-Stick Round Baking Cake Pan. This non-stick, round cake pan is made from heavy-duty aluminum that won't warp or buckle under high heat. Its interior is coated with a durable non-stick coating for easy release and cleanup. It has a wide lip around the edge to contain spills during baking and cooling. It measures 12 inches in diameter by 2¼ inches deep. Its non-stick surface is also PFOA-free, which means it won't contaminate your food with chemicals or leave a harmful residue on your oven's interior. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.